Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to send email using Salesforce. So before we will proceed to learn how to send it, we will first discuss what is email in Salesforce. So you all know that email stands for electronic mail. That is a technique for communicating over a network between two or more people. Sending an email in Salesforce can be performed through various methods, each suited for different use cases such as individual communication, mass emailing, automated responses, or marketing campaigns. Now we will proceed and learn to send email in Salesforce. So for sending an email, we first move to our Salesforce account. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. If you are not in the Lightning edition and you are in the classic one, so switch to the Salesforce Lightning first. So we are already in the Lightning one, so we proceed and learn to send the email in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we have to first click on the app launcher. This 9 dot represent the app launcher. Click on this. Then you have to select an app or either you can search for the tab directly. So here I click on the service app. Now from the list of the tabs, I click on the contact object. Now select the contact to whom you want to send an email. Here are the list of the contact, that is a recently viewed record page. If you want to see all the contacts, so click on the all contact. And here are the list of all contacts. You can click any of the contact which you want to send an email. So here I select this object, this contact Jack. So after you clicking on it, you will move to the contact record page, Mr. Jack Rogers. Now on the right side, you can see there is an activity component present, and under the activity component, you will get an email icon. This is my email icon. Click on this email icon, and if you want to maximize this, you can click on this arrow. Click on this and this will maximize, and you can see that it automatically select the form, and by default it is also select the BCC, which is automatically selected, and by default it is selected to the email address same as from. And now you have to add a subject. So suppose here I enter a subject as a wish. So here I enter the wish in the subject field, and here I add a wish as a happy birthday. So here I enter the wish as a happy birthday. You can also change the size, font size, and align to the text, and even you can change its style. So if you want to change its font size, so click on this font option, and you can change the font from here, and you can also change the size of this text, and you can also bold it. And when I click on this bold, you can see this text is bold. You can also convert it to a italic, and you can underline this, and you can also add the image if you want, and you can also attach the link if you want. If you want to change the font style, you can click on this font, and you can change this font style to the Arial black, and you can also change the size of this text to 24. You can see our text size is changed to 24, and after doing all such things, you can click on the send button that is present at the bottom. When you scroll down, you can see there is a send button present. Click on this button to finally send the email. So here you can see that in this record page it shows its email status that the mail is sent, and with the subject wish on the right side, you can see the wish email is shown, and you can send this mail to Jack Rogers. You can send this mail to the Jack Rogers, and this mail is unopened. So with this, you have learned how to send email using Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.